بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. By those winds sent forth in gusts, and the winds that blow violently, and by the winds that spread clouds, and those angels who bring criterion, and those angels who deliver a message as justification or warning. Indeed, what you are promised is to occur. So when the stars are obliterated, and when the heaven is opened, and when the mountains are blown away, and when the messenger's time has come, for what day was it postponed? For the day of judgment. And what can make you know what is the day of judgment? Woe that day to the deniers! Did we not destroy the former peoples? Then we will follow them with the later ones. Thus do we deal with the criminals. Woe that day to the deniers! Did we not create you from a liquid disdained? And we placed it in a firm lodging, for a known extent. And we determined it, and excellent are we to determine. Woe that day to the deniers! Have we not made the earth a container of the living and the dead? And we placed therein lofty, firmly set mountains, and have given you to drink sweet water. Woe that day to the deniers! They will be told, proceed to that which you used to deny. Proceed to a shadow of smoke having 3 columns, but having no cool shade and availing not against the flame. Indeed, it throws sparks as huge as a fortress, as if they were yellowish-black camels. Woe that day to the deniers! This is a day they will not speak, nor will it be permitted for them to make an excuse. Woe that day to the deniers! This is the day of judgment. We will have assembled you and the former peoples. So if you have a plan, then plan against me. Woe that day to the deniers! Indeed, the righteous will be among shades and springs, and fruits from whatever they desire, being told, eat and drink in satisfaction for what you used to do. Indeed, we thus reward the doers of good. Woe that day to the deniers! O disbelievers, eat and enjoy yourselves a little. Indeed, you are criminals. Woe that day to the deniers! And when it is said to them, bow in prayer, they do not bow. Woe that day to the deniers! Then in what statement after the Quran will they believe?
صدق الله العظيم.